8 p.m. and we are back with your daily show on corporates and market updates. Corporate Central, I'm Shrestha Tiwari. Over to the day's updates from the corporate and the market world. Looks like Gautam Adani is now going to bid for the thermal plants promoted by Anil Ambani that are currently under auction. Adani Group may face intense competition for Vidarbha Industries Power, which operates 600 megawatt generation facilities in central India, according to Bloomberg. The coal plants are currently being auctioned under insolvency process. Ambani's Reliance Power Limited is also considering making an offer for the asset in an attempt to win back control of the firm. Reports say that deliberations are ongoing and Adani and Reliance Power could decide not to proceed with formal offers. IT major Wipro has announced setting up the AI 360 service and has also committed itself to invest around $1 billion into artificial intelligence in the next 3 years. Wipro is aiming to unleash an era of productivity and commercial opportunities with the application of generative AI. Wipro informed that the $1 billion investment will help advance the company's AI data and analytics capabilities and build new consulting capabilities in order to help clients adapt AI and unlock its full value. Wipro has also announced that it will train around 250,000 employees on the fundamentals and responsible use of AI over the next 12 months. In what could be an advancing move for the IT major, fast expanding AI does raise questions over future employment opportunities. One of India's largest tech giants, Infosys, has deferred the payment hikes of its employees, which it usually rolls out from April for its employees below the senior management level. Recent reports indicate that the financial crunch the company is facing under the current macroeconomic situation at the national as well as international levels. Many of the Infosys projects are cancelled or ramped down. As per the yearly schedule, the company provides appraisal to its employees in the June quarter. However, this time the company deferred providing pay raise to its employees. ITC board has recommended the reappointment of Sanjeev Puri as chairman and managing director for an additional period of 5 years with effect from 22nd July 2024. Puri will complete his current term as managing director on 21st July 2024. The proposal will be put forward during the company's annual general meeting in August. Puri has been with ITC since 1986 and has held various leadership positions. In FY23, Puri's total compensation was 16.31 crore rupees, a 53% increase from the previous year. And a group of minority investors of Dish TV India has demanded a probe into the alleged diversion of funds by Zee Entertainment Enterprises from a unit of the satellite TV provider, which was part of the series of transactions that led to Subhash Chandra and Puneet Goenka being barred from holding any board positions at any listed companies by the market regulator. In a letter dated 11th of July, Dish TV's minority investors expressed their disappointment at the performance of the two directors in ensuring strong corporate governance standards in the company. Tata Steel, which took over bankrupt Bhushan Steel in 2018, has challenged the Delhi High Court order regarding an avoidance application in the Supreme Court. The division bench stated that Tata Steel cannot benefit from the amounts received and those benefits of about 1,000 crore rupees should be appropriated to the creditors. Tata Steel is challenging the January 13th order where the Delhi High Court directed the National Company Law Tribunal, that is NCLT, to proceed with the hearing of the avoidance application, but said that the amount recovered can be distributed among the secured creditors in accordance with law as determined by the NCLT. Moving on to some buzzing stocks of the day and also analyze the reason behind it. First up is the 28% GST rate imposed on the full value of online gaming stole the limelight after the 50th GST Council meeting. On expected lines, online gaming stocks reacted on a bearish note on Wednesday. Experts believe that the 28% tax rate is a setback for Indian players. But what's interesting is that Rekha Jhunjhunwala-backed Nazara Technologies share price fall was limited to just 3.3%. On the other hand, Delta Corp stock plunged nearly 23%. Delta Corp's market cap decreased by about 1,600 crore rupees and fell more than its FY23 revenue of 1,000 121 crore rupees. Nazara expects that 28% GST rate to impact only its skill-based real money gaming segment, which contributes only 5.2% to its overall consolidated revenues for the fiscal year 2023. The SpiceJet share price declined 11% intraday on July 12th after reports of the aviation regulator putting the company under enhanced surveillance. The DGCA has put SpiceJet under enhanced surveillance after the budget airline flew into multiple financial headwinds in recent months. While the carrier has refuted any such development, multiple reports say that the enhanced surveillance is on for more than 3 weeks now and it is an ongoing process. Reportedly, according to officials, it includes increased night surveillance and spot checks, where the focus is to ensure that due to financial issues, there are no potential adverse impact on the flight operations and that there is no cutting corners on safety. The development comes against the backdrop of various lessors seeking repossession of aircraft leased to SpiceJet after some of the cases being settled by the cash-strapped airline. Shares of LG Equipments jumped over 12% to hit a record high on Wednesday after winning an order from Siemens. Shares climbed up to 14% during intraday. The company received a 10-year supply order from Siemens Limited for the supply and maintenance of air generation and treatment units and auxiliary compressors. The order is required to provide 35 years of maintenance from the date of supply. Shares hit a record high at 623 rupees. The total traded quantity so far in the day stood at 19.6 times the 30-day average volume. Out of the 4 analysts tracking the stock, 2 maintain a buy and 2 suggest a sell rating according to Bloomberg data. Well, that was all about corporates and markets. Moving on to some major corporate events and triggers which could potentially make big market impacts. Let's take a look. Impact of TCS HCL tech results on July 12th to be felt in the market. Also, impact of June inflation and May IIP data to be felt. Globally, impact of June inflation data of US will be felt in the markets. And on July 13th, Wipro, Federal Bank, Angel One, BEPL, Tata Metalink's results will be out, and IQ Lighting's 30-day 50% anchor lock-in will also end. Titan goes ex-dividend and also its ex-date for HDFC Bank merger and record date of share buyback of Amritanjan. PM Modi will begin a 2-day tour of France from July 13th onwards. Globally, on July 13th, US June PPI inflation data to be released and also UK's GDP growth figures will be released. And European Central Bank's meeting minutes will also be released. That is it on Corporate Central tonight. For Money9's exclusive personal finance content, log in to Money9's website and download the Money9 app and keep watching Money9.